Hi everyone, let's look at ticker research. So, a ticker is the way publicly traded companies are listed on a stock exchange. For example, AAPL is the ticker for the company Apple Inc. Ticker research. In order to get to know about the company and the event, we do ticker research prior to the start of the call. The research material will be helpful for referring the speaker details, numbers, products, terms, etc. that are being dictated in the call. So how do we do ticker research? The research is done by collecting a list of items. Those list items are made available in a folder as a template. Here are the list items: business description, key developments, management details, analyst coverage, headlines, current press release, other press releases, presentation slides, SEC filings such as 8K, 10K and 10Q, products and services, terms, and finally all notepad where we consolidate the above mentioned collection of data. Now let's look into each of these items one by one. First, business description. It gives us a short description about the company, its segments, its products, etc. Where do we get it? Go to Google and search for the company name, for example Apple Inc. along with the term Reuters. From the search results, open the first link which will lead to www.reuters.com. Below the heading About, click on More, which will give you the full description of the company. Now copy the content and paste it onto the business description notepad. Secondly, key developments. It gives us the latest developments of the company, and we can get the same from www.reuters.com page under the heading Key Developments. Copy the content and paste it onto the Key Development notepad. Next comes the management details. We take the corporate names with designation details from the company website, which is essential while processing a call. Go to Google and search for the company name along with the term investor relations. From the search results, open the first link which will lead you to the company website. The management details is found under the sections About Us, Our Story and Corporate Governance below the heading Leadership or Executives for instance. Now copy the names and paste it onto the management notepad. Moving to analyst details. We take the analyst names and their firm details from the company website, which is used while processing the Q&A section. The analyst details is commonly found under the sections stock information, investor center, and resources. Now copy the names and paste it onto the analyst coverage notepad. Now let's look at headlines. To get to know the important announcements of the company events, we collect the headlines of the archived press releases. This can be accessed from the investor relations page under the press release heading, where we copy all the headlines of the current and previous years. Next, press release. Press release is the first point of reference for processing a given call. We open the press release of the particular event by checking the event details and the event date. Now copy the content and paste it onto the press release notepad. Now moving to other press releases. Apart from the current press release, we collect other press releases such as product launches, organizational changes, business updates, etc. for reference. Copy the contents onto the other press release notepad. Moving to presentation slides. Like the press release, the company will be issuing presentation slides for the particular event, which the speakers will use as a reference for the summary portion of the call. This can be found in the investor relations page under the presentation heading or events and webcast. We can download the presentation, which is usually available in PDF format. Moving to SEC filings. Filings contain legal information pertaining to the company, which can be a trusted point of reference. From the investor relations page, we take filings such as 8K current filing, 10Q quarterly filing, and 10K annual filing. In non-US calls, the filings are available as 6K current filing and 20F annual filing. Now copy the content and paste it onto the respective notepads titled 8K, 10K, and likewise. Moving on to products and services. To get to know about the products and services of a particular company, the terms which might be case sensitive, we collect the information from the company website and paste the same onto the products and services notepad. Moving to terms, we have a collection of the newly encountered words, particularly pertaining to the specific company for easy accessibility. This can be taken either from the press release or the products and services notepad. Finally, coming to the all notepad. Here we consolidate all the collected items onto a one single notepad. Thank you.